In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up Pine Editor inside of TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to TradingView.com. Once you're in here, you'll need to sign up for an account or sign into your account if you already have one. Then from here you'll need to go up to Products and then Superchart. Once you're inside of the Superchart, you'll need to go over to the right hand side and then go down to this pine cone or tree down here called Pine. And once you click on that, you should look something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to add in your script, and then you can save it by clicking up here. You can also publish the script by clicking here to the community and give the script a name and click save. If you don't see the Pine icon over here on the right hand side, then it's probably because that you are not connected to a broker. And to do that, you'll simply need to click trade, and then from here you will be able to see here, click trade, and then you from here should look something like this, and then you'll just need to enter in a broker and connect it. From here it should be visible over here again, and then you can write in a code, script, and publish it. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!